Okay, boys and girls, so today what we're going to do is we're going to make a axle for this jet ski trailer. This is a, I don't know, it's like an 05, 08 jet ski trailer. I'm using it for I got a 12-foot, it's a little 12-foot aluminum boat. It's, I'm going to use this jet ski trailer for it. And I paid 75 bucks for it. Fucking fenders are wiped out. The fucking axles are screwed. So here's what we're doing. This is the old axle right here. And I cut this off thinking that I was just going to weld on some new spindles, but this is too far gone to even waste my time with. This is a piece of galvanized steel. I don't really trust it, so I'm not really going to use it. It's just easier to just buy another piece of steel. And the piece of steel I got is heavier duty than this, and it's much ruggeder. Now, here's the thing with this. I bought this sight unseen. I didn't know anything about it. I had a trailer at home on my own trailer. Thankfully, I brought a trailer with me because this thing was no way going down the road. These hubs right here, I don't know what somebody was doing, but they bought 2 sets of hubs, probably from Tractor Supply, and they put them on these spindles, which these are not the correct spindles for this axle. As you can see, this bearing is the rear bearing, not the front one. It's the rear bearing, and this is no way the same size. So I don't know what somebody was thinking about doing here, but they totally destroyed the bearings in both these hubs. The hubs are still salvageable. I just have to knock the races out, get a bearing kit, put new races in, grease it all up, and there you go. So what I did was I went on the internet, the interweb, and I bought 2 new spindles. And as you can see here, this bearing fits this spindle. There's a way to find the correct spindle for this spindle shaft. This is just a spindle shaft. You can buy it separately. You can see I've already got it welded on here on the back half back there, and now I'm going to weld here, and then I'm going to put the other one on the other end. I decided to go over and under because I don't care if the trailer is a little bit higher. What I really wanted was strength. This piece of tubing is 1/8 inch. You can see that that's a lot heavier than what it came with, so that'll be fine. But we got new spindles going on here, and I'll get some bearings down the road, and I'll have to get a longer U-bolt for the axle. So there you go. We're gonna make a new trailer axle, and these are the spindles. It's quite a block of little steel there. You can order these just like this. Get them on the internet. I'm not gonna say where I got these because I'm gonna boycott them. So it's too bad for the sellers because the sellers have been pretty good to me. So that's making an axle 101. I'll do another video after I get these both welded on here. Stay tuned. And if you like the content, I mean, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to hit the like button, you don't even have to leave a comment. As a matter of fact, don't do any of that because I don't want you to, okay? But subscribe, follow me, and we'll go on some ventures here. I'm all over the place. All kinds of crap.